If you're getting the message this page isn't available right now on Facebook, here's how to fix it quickly and easily. First of all, double check the link or post you're trying to open. It might have been deleted, set to private, or the person may have blocked you, which is why the page isn't showing. Next, refresh your Facebook feed by swiping down. Sometimes it's just a temporary glitch and the content will load once the app updates. After that, close the Facebook app completely and then reopen it. And if it's still not working, it's time to log out and log back in. Just tap on the menu icon and scroll all the way down, then tap on logout. After that, sign back in with your account. Now, go to the App Store and check if there's a Facebook update available. If there is, install it. Outdated versions can sometimes cause display errors like this. And if none of that works, delete the Facebook app from your phone, reinstall it from the App Store and log in again. This refreshes everything and often solves hidden bugs. That's all. Try this out and let me know if it worked. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.